my appeal to the school is that they should adopt a book maintenance policy so as to have the books, sustainability of the books, because the same books will be used by the Form 1s next year. So these books are not individual copies for each student, but they are school books. So the school needs to adopt a policy in which they are going to cover the books. They are going to safeguard the books so that they can be able to be used by the next class next year. It is very clear, if you lose that book, you must replace it. If you damage that book, you must replace it. But for this case, we find that these books are not for sale. So the ministry will give us guidelines on how they are going to replace the books.
We know that there are people who would wish to frustrate the efforts of the government by making sure that they break into schools, steal the books, and frustrate the program. We are warning them that we shall be on the lookout. We shall be patrolling the markets, both overtly and covertly, to make sure that we don't have cartels and those people who are peddling books, the black market in our towns.
So now each student is going to have some independence in terms of working, and we are expecting better results out of this. This book, a girl carrying all the way throughout the year and even at home during the holiday. So it's going to be, learning is going to be a continuous process, not a process where maybe there are going to be gaps or stops, and especially during the holiday, that this girl will carry books home to go and read. And so even for us teachers, in terms of syllabus coverage, it is also going to advantage us. Why? Because you can be able to give a student work to learn ahead, work to read ahead, and then you can be able to discuss. So we are anticipating that possibly this class, we are going to have a turnaround on even how we implement the syllabus and how fast we can be able to deliver what it is that we are supposed to do. And ultimately, this will definitely translate into results.